misunderstood. Make it out or die trying, some trying to die. Word, but the iron keep you from dying. More growth and less crying, or I'm not replying. Overstand to be a worm, or a fucking can. They don't overstand, they just overstep. Y'all a bunch of stands, I stand on my own too. Look, half you niggas cooch, I can't coach you. So don't poke if you know the smoke could choke you. I don't talk much cause I don't like to keep it vocal. Rather wrap my hands around your vocals, pop one. So don't salute me if it's fake, nigga, keep it G. Keep that weak shit over there and you can keep your teeth. Hope it's overstood before I'm standing over you. Cause niggas get emotional and let it take control of you. Word, like them colors they start to showing you. Mouth too loud to allow this nigga to roll with you. Fuck, build different and I know my truth. Name on no paperwork, free soul, no regrets. I wake the poppies up, they don't understand English. They only overstand, let niggas have it for less. Sun don't shine into the